Welcome to the Getting Started with the Knox SDK presentation. In this video, we will show you how to apply for access to the Knox development tools, how to get started with setting up your environment, and walk through a basic sample application that utilizes the Knox SDK. Knox is Samsung's defense-grade mobile security platform built into our devices and offers real-time device protection. On Knox devices, software and hardware components work together to monitor and protect the device. The Knox SDK provides mobile device management APIs that can be utilized to control almost every aspect of Samsung devices. You can customize and secure Samsung devices' accounts, apps, connections, customization features, device settings, security, VPN settings, and more. You will first need to join our partner program to gain access to our development tools. You can also learn more about our Knox platform in the resources that will be shown in this video. Navigate to partner.samsungknox.com and select Become a Member to get started. If you don't have a Samsung account already, you will be redirected to create one before you can become a partner. When you sign into partner.samsungknox.com, you can navigate to your dashboard, which is your portal to the development tools. Here, you can manage your license keys, download sample apps in our SDK, and access other support tools. To access developer-specific information, navigate to developer.samsungknox.com. You can sign in with the same user that you just created to join the partner program. From here, you can access the same partner dashboard as you saw previously. Today, we will focus on the Knox SDK. The developer documentation is your one-stop shop for all things Knox SDK. This is where you can find the API references, license information, our FAQs, more in-depth knowledge base articles, and it's even home to the Samsung Web Services documentation. Follow the steps outlined here to set up your environment. This Getting Started section of the documentation will walk you through step by step the basic requirements you will need to begin developing. Our sample apps are in Java and use Android Studio, so you will need to set up these environments to follow along. Let's go through an example. These are some of the key features of the Knox SDK. We will be focusing on the hardware management features. The Knox SDK can toggle and manage almost every hardware feature of supported Samsung devices. In this example, we will show you how to enable and disable the camera. The sample app we will be using is available in the developer documentation and is called Get Started with the Knox SDK. You can download the file from your Knox partner dashboard. Open the Android Studio project in the file that was downloaded. After you build the project, you should see something similar to the screen in Android Studio. First, let's open the constants.java file. As you can see, there are to-do comments and instructions for what needs to be completed. This file is where we enter the development license key. During your setup process, you should have been guided to generate your own license key in your partner dashboard. For testing purposes, you can generate a free trial development key. Go ahead and enter the development key where specified. Now we can get started with implementing policies. First, you will need to check the hardware state. In this example, we are checking the camera state by calling restriction policy.isCameraEnabled. Then, to toggle the camera on or off, pass the return value to restriction policy.setCameraState. Rebuild your app if you made any code changes and push the app to a device. After enforcing this policy on the device using the sample app, users will see a pop-up warning them that the camera has been disabled. Every time they attempt to access the camera, the pop-up will appear and the camera app will not launch. And that's it! You can now write code to toggle device features on and off. For full API references, please refer to the developer documentation guide. Here, you can search for the APIs and find details on how to use each one and its requirements. So, visit developer.samsungknox.com to get started today.